Hi friends, welcome to Gyan Ganga e-learning platform. Our today's topic is on assignment April 2021 for operation research subject, and we are going to solve the question number 5th of assignment. So let's see the answer.
Hello friends, here we have question number 5, wherein production day for 9 production days and probability of this particular production days has been given, as we can see here. And the goods are being transported in truck accommodating 150 mopeds using the following numbers. So these are the random numbers which are being given, that is 81, 80, 81, 76, 75, 64, 43 and so on till 57. So here we need to find out the average moped waiting in the factory and what will be the average number of empty spaces on the lorry. So we just jot down what are the data given in the problem. So these are the production data, production per day. So we have listed it down in this particular column, and these are the probability of the particular days. So we have listed it down in the vertical column. So just we have taken the cumulative probability. So 0.09 plus 0.04 is 0.13, 0.09 plus 0.12 is 0.25 and so on. So we have taken the cumulative of all the probabilities. So here we got the final probability cumulative which we have got is 1. So now we will assign the randomly numbers. That is, we have taken these numbers randomly, 0 to 3, 4 to 12, 13 to 29, 25 to 39 and so on till 99. Note my friends, we need to take these numbers on a random basis. So just for my reference I have taken 0 to 3, 4 to 12. Even you can take it as 0 to 5, 6 to 10 or 0 to 6, 6 to 12 or so on. Now this 15 as this 15 random numbers are given, now we write down the production table as below. So these are the random numbers, so which we have got here. The random numbers are listed down here. So for this particular random number, 80. So we can see here. This particular random number 80. So for this particular random number 80, we have the production per day as 153. So we are noted down as 153. So for this random number 81, we have taken the production quantity again as 153, because 81 lies between 80 and 91. So next number, that is 76, we have taken the production quantity as 152, because 76 lies between 60 to 79, which has production quantity of 152. So in this similar way, we first note down all these particular production per day volumes, and in the next column we write the capacity of the volume. The capacity of the volume which is given here is 150. So this 150 we note it down here, and next we need to find out the number of scooters waiting at the factory. So as we can see here, the production quantity is 150 and capacity is 153 and the capacity is 150. So the number of scooters waiting will be 3. So next day, the number of production is 153 and production capacity is 150. So again number scooters waiting will be 3. So again here we calculate the cumulative waiting. So day by day. So here we have 3 and 3 plus 3, here we have 6. And similarly 152 and 152. So here we have 2. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So in the similar fashion we keep on calculating, and here we can count that here we have the production quantity of 148 and capacity is 150. So at this particular day the waiting will be 0, but as we had the stock of 12, so again the cumulative waiting becomes 10, because these two mopeds are being transferred in this particular lorry for the dispatch. Similarly, this one quantity we have added for this lorry, so this particular quantity becomes 9. Similarly, in similar fashion, we calculate the cumulative waiting, and even we calculate the number of total scooters waiting. So after finding out the number of scooters waiting, we calculate the cumulative number of scooters waiting. So here we get it 21, that is calculating from 3 plus 3 and so on till 1. So here we get this as 21. So again we calculate all the cumulative weighting as well. This data is needed only if question is asked with respect to cumulative weighting. So this we are using it as a standard practice. So here the data which we require is the cumulative weighting. So as in the question is we have been asked what will be the average moped weighting in the factory. So here we have the average number of scooters weighting, that is 21. So 21 we divide it by 15. So 15 are the total number of random numbers. So by this we get 1.4 scooters are averagely weighting in the factory. So and in the second question, what will be the average number of empty spaces on the lorry? So since we can see here that each day lorry is dispatched with the full capacity, the average number of empty spaces in the lorry becomes 0, because not even on the single day the lorry has a single space available in its dispatch. So this is about this particular problem. Thank you.